Hi, my name is Matt Klein. I'm the director of robotics at Path. One of the major pain points with traditional automation is getting a new part set up for your robotic cell. In traditional welding, an engineer would take a weld drawing, hand it to one of the welders on their floor, and they would go and weld the part. With traditional robotics, that engineer would hand it instead to a robot programmer, which would then have to go and program every single motion for that part for every single seam. But with the Path system, that same engineer would use our job builder software to upload a CAD model, annotate the part, and then our AI handles all of the motion planning and welder commands without any programming whatsoever. Now let's take a quick look at Job Builder and what it looks like to use our software. Job Builder makes it really easy to annotate your parts, whether they're small or very large parts like this, with hundreds if not thousands of seams. In order to annotate a part, you just zoom into the seam, select the seam, choose the joint type and weld size, and click Save. Once you've annotated all of the seams, our system takes over and generates all of the motions and weld parameters for the entire part. After selecting a seam, you can choose to use single pass or multi-pass. Our AI creates a set of default weld parameters, but you can also adjust things such as contact dip to work distance, work and travel angle, as well as weave settings. This takes something that typically takes days, weeks, or even months to program and condenses it down into less than an hour. With the Path Cell, we use our vision system to identify any variation between the CAD and reality. And we're able to make those small corrections to get sub-millimeter level accuracy on every single part. So we're able to make adjustments to the fill plan, the voltage, the wire feed speed, and the travel angle and work angle all on the fly. All right, let's go weld.